Guys, so I'm going to test my old air condition. This is amp meter and this aircon is Kenwood eSense, and there's some specification on the side but I cannot find it on the down. Let's see how many amp is rated here, but there's no amp, but this is 12,000 BTU. So what I'm going to do is let's test the amp, how many amp it's gonna use. So here I'm going to clamp the meter. Okay, so this wire can see going from back to the aircon. Okay, so right now I'm going to turn on here and turn on from here. Let's turn on, but first I will turn on from here. Okay, now it's 23 centigrade on cooling mode and the fan speed is full. Can't turn on here. Here we're going to see the amp, 3 amp starting. This is non-inverter air condition, Kenwood, and you can see starting from 3 amp, and the temperature I set on 23 centigrade. I think it's going to up slow. Okay, when I turn on the fan mode, only the full fan here, so the amp is go down to only 14 amp, because here, but if I put on the auto, this is the cooling mode. This is the cooling mode. It's gonna start compressor soon and the voltage will gonna be up. But now the compressor is off because I turned off and changed the mode very quickly. Soon the compressor will turn on and it go to 3.4 amp, I guess. Okay guys, so now I have here another aircon. This is connected here and you can see this is on the AC amp, and the wire go through from here to here. This is Orient air condition, and here is some specification. I'm going to show you. Yeah, right here, almost 6.1 amp, and this is Orient. So what I'm going to do is turn on the aircon and see how many amp it will take. This is only 1 ton air condition. Okay, the fan is on. You can see here the lower getting on, and here the amp start going up. And soon the compressor will turn on and it should be rise. Starting amp, and let's see. The thermostat is 25, but in the room temperature is currently 30 centigrade. And when the compressor will turn on, there is okay, it goes to standby. Oh, it's in DC, and here is AC. Compressor is not turned on yet. Actually, it should be. Okay, now the compressor is turned on, and suddenly start 5 amp. The rated is a 6 amp, 6.1 amp maximum, but here I want to see what is the maximum amp here. So compressor jerk start from almost 5 amp to go to 4 amp now, and let's see. It's going down, look like. Temperature set to 24. And the room temperature is this, 30 centigrade and 69 humidity. And it's going up actually 4.79, 4.8, 2, 3, and now I feel the amp going up. It's almost going to 5 amp. 5 amp is touched to 5 amp already now.